Woo! Hey everyone, this is Gerald from Daily Crypto Trading. Let's come to you live from Vietnam, guys. Great time to be live, and we're going to be talking about, guys, watch out. Watch freaking out, guys. Just in the camera, in case you're wondering what's going on. Keep it simple. Keep it live, guys. Watch out, guys. Something amazing is about to happen. We're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about how wonderful it is right now that we're seeing that Bitcoin is above $30,000 and holding strong. We're seeing that Dogecoin, our Doge, your Doge, is above 6 cents, guys, and holding strong. A lot of good news out there. A lot of positive out there. A lot of positiveness out there. Got to get my coffee. Time to get a cup of Joe. Don't forget to go down there, check out the merch, guys. I remember all this is financial advice. And smash the freaking likes, guys. What are you waiting for? It's early morning here in Asia. It's early morning. It's not even 8 o'clock in a.m. I'm awake. Heading off to the daily grind, of course. And guys, don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. And guys, did you know out there we got a membership? Join the membership. It's freaking awesome. Get access to a private WhatsApp group. And if you are a member and you do become a member, what you can do is send me a DM on Twitter. Tell me your YouTube handle. Tell me what your membership level is. And we'll get that winky to you. And you can join the club, guys. Join the OG club, guys. There's no go without the OG, guys. So get it. So yesterday we saw that the U.S. markets were fine. They were dandy. We saw everything was up pretty good. We saw the NASDAQ, which is tech, guys. S&P was up and the Dow was up as well. So that is good news out there. So I'm pretty happy. We are seeing a very weird and strange pattern for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has just been kind of like in this whole above $30,000 range right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, almost 18 days where Bitcoin had just been going sideways. Some people are saying there's going to be a mother of all squeezes coming out. Squeeze. That may well be out there. But I'm pretty confident that 30,000 we're still holding. We're still looking good. There's been no major hiccups, been no major upsets. We are just cruising along. And don't forget, we've got the halving coming, guys, and that is going to be amazing. We've got the halving coming 279 days from now. Now, some people are predicting, and we're going to jump into that as well. Some people are predicting that about 4 months before the halving, things are going to get wild. Things are going to get crazy. So watch out. Watch out, crypto community. Watch out, Dogecoin community. Watch out, Bitcoin community. And watch out to you and you out there in YouTube land, because crypto is going to the moon and it's going to get freaking crazy, guys. And you know that. I know that out there, guys. Sorry I missed a video yesterday. I was crazy. Just bought a new car. Had to, do all the registration stuff, DMV, all that kind of stuff here in Vietnam. It ain't easy like in the U.S., guys. It's a nightmare, but it's good news. So out there, guys, we could expect 4 months prior to the halving that we could see a huge explosion for Bitcoin. And as you guys know, Bitcoin is leading the pack. When Bitcoin takes off, everything takes off, guys. That's what it's all about. So what's coming out? What's happening this week? We got CPI data that's coming out on Wednesday. I'm going to be showing you in a second that we could be seeing that the inflation rate is actually going down. So that is pretty good. We're also going to see PPI inflation on Thursday, which is basically the same thing. It's basically producer inflation. Jobless claims should be going down as well, and consumer sentiment should be going up. So with all these 3-4 catalysts right here, I'm 1, 2, 3, 4. I was touching the screen, but you can't see the screen. OMG. So with these catalysts that are coming out, we could see that the markets should be getting pretty bullish and get pretty happy out there. Guys, also it looks like U.S. stocks open higher as Wall Street braces for CPI inflation data. So things are looking pretty good. We do have some Q2 earnings season coming out as well. Some of the big names that are going to be coming out is going to be Google, Tesla, Meta, Apple, Amazon, of course, NVIDIA, and Microsoft. So these are some of the big ones that are going to be coming out, guys. So looks like CPI data is going to be coming in good. We're going to be coming in good, guys. Like I said, we could see that inflation is going to be going down. So inflation right now could fall to 3.1% tomorrow. That is going to be good news out there. There has been a lot of talk of peak inflation as the end of the rate hikes. However, inflation's assumption shows CPI is likely to re-accelerate in the months ahead and move higher in 2024. Well, let's see. Right now 3.1% is pretty good. That is definitely going to help aid the broader markets going up and crypto going up. And it looks like the target for inflation is about 2%. So we're not too far off. We're not too freaking far off right now. So that is pretty good. In terms of rate hikes out there, we got 14 days. 16 hours, and overall, we're going to get 25 basis points. That's what people are saying. That's what I'm thinking. That's what you're thinking. Don't worry about it. It's not going to have any impact on the market. Sometimes the markets are cuckoo, right? It is what it is. So earnings this week to look out for is JP Morgan, Citibank, Wells, BlackRock. Let's hope this ETF gets freaking passed. We're going to be talking about some deadlines when we can expect that to be happening. We got Delta Airlines, Pepsi-Cola. I like Coca-Cola. I don't like Pepsi. If you love Pepsi, beautiful. But I like Coca-Cola. So if anybody from Coca-Cola is watching this channel, props out, super chat. Give her a super chat, super thanks down there, because I'm shilling the Coca-Cola. I like Coca-Cola, and we got Congra Brands and United Health Group. So that's what's going on this week for earnings. Not too big deal, guys. I thought this is kind of interesting. It looks like Goldman Sachs is absolutely predicting the biggest economy by 2075. But how would Bitcoin adoption change the order? I'm not sure, but if countries that adopt Bitcoin, they're definitely going to be much bigger. So to be expected, China is number one, India, United States, and I was surprised, Indonesia at 13.6, and Nigeria, like what? I wasn't expecting that. And then we can see countries like UK, Japan, South Korea, they're kind of like going down out there. So I was surprised to see Indonesia is this should be the third biggest economy by 2075. Hope I'm still alive by then. Hope I'm still freaking alive out there. So this is from Elon Musk. Let me turn on the volume. And Elon Musk, what he's saying out here is he's saying that money is a database, yes, and Bitcoin is a distributed ledger accessible by all. So let's listen to what the Musker has to say about this. Let's listen.
People get confused. Sometimes they think an economy is money. Money is a database for exchange of goods and services.
Exactly.
And for time shifting the exchange of goods and services. Money is a database. Money doesn't have power in and of itself. Like you can run the thought experiment of you're trapped on a remote island, shipwrecked on an island, and you've got $1 trillion in a Swiss bank account. It's worthless. You'd rather have a can of soup. So, all the Bitcoin in the world, you're still going to starve. So, the actual economy is goods and services.
Exactly. Absolutely right. Economy is goods and services. Cash is trash. And it ain't worth anything. It's not worth anything. It's just a database out there. So like Elon Musk said, if you're trapped on an island and you got $1 trillion in a suitcase and you're starving, you're probably going to use that $1 trillion to make a bonfire and use it to cook some food, guys out there. So just remember that. Remember that. Bitcoin held on Coinbase is down 56% from its peak. So you can see that self-custody is on the rise, guys. And once again, if you have your crypto, if you have your freaking crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there, guys. Get a NANO Leger, guys. My link is down below. And secure your crypto. If you don't own the keys, if you do not own the keys, you do not own the crypto. And I'm telling you right now, when centralized exchanges collapse and you don't have your crypto on a NANO Leger or a Trezor or any custodial wallet, you're out of luck. So 99% of my crypto is on hardware wallet. I'm happy about that, and it also keeps the scammers from taking your crypto as well, right? Okay, so that's pretty good. So we're seeing Coinbase is down 56% from its high. That is the amount of Bitcoin that has been held. That is good news out there. Just in, looks like asset manager Vanguard Group with over 7 trillion assets under management has purchased 10% stake in Bitcoin. Wow. 10% stake in Bitcoin miner Riot platform. So that is good. And we're seeing right now that more and more institutions are slowly, secretively, starting to accumulate Bitcoin. This is a secret. Don't tell anyone. The institutions are loading up on Bitcoin. And what's that going to do for the price? That is going to make the price go sky high. And we can also see here that new Bitcoin total number of UTXs or transactions skyrocketed to an all-time high in May. And this is signaling the freaking awesome adoption of Bitcoin. It's also UTXs, in case unspent transaction output, that's what it means, are the building blocks of Bitcoin accounting system. The balance you see in your wallet is actually composed of these smaller amounts of Bitcoin. Okay, guys, so this is really important that you guys understand that. And we can see that UTXs are the form in which Bitcoin travels through cyberspace, the more there are, the more the network is vibrant and growing. So, you know, when we have more unspent transaction output, that means that the network is vibrant and it's growing, and that means it's more adoption, more transactions happening. And that's great. That's absolutely fantastical out there. Good news, good freaking news out there. Let's take a look at the heat map, what's going on, just to kind of give you a visual what's going on. Everything is mainly green, so that is freaking awesome news. Fear and greed right now, we're looking good. We're greedy. We're green greedy. Guys, remember, do not sleep on Bitcoin. Do not sleep on crypto. This is a good time to DCA and fill up your bags, guys. And remember, if you had been DCAing since the all-time high, a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, you would still be up about 10%. You know, despite FTX, despite Luna, despite all the craziness out there, despite Gary asshat out there, we would be up, guys. So that just goes to show the power of DCA. What's going on right now with the crypto market? Let me give this a minute refresh. And guys, if you like the community, don't forget to go down there. Give a super thanks. It's a heart mark. Look like that. Support the freaking channel. And we got lots of merch, guys. You can buy cameras. You can buy computers and stuff. Go down there. Click on the link. If you're thinking about buying, use the link. Support the OG. There's no go without the OG. There's no go without the Joe. Cup of Joe. Time to get some Joe, guys. Let's hit the Joe. So we are seeing that Bitcoin down is about almost 50%. Ethereum is 19%. In case you got one of the cheap seats and you know what's going on with that, means that 50% of the total market cap of 1.19 trillion is held by Bitcoin. 19% of that total market cap is Ethereum, and the rest is everything else. Okay, and remember, an altcoin is everything except Bitcoin. Okay, so you just got school. Crypto 2.1, guys, get school. I love it. You love it. So we are seeing that Ethereum is up. We're seeing that Bitcoin is still holding 30,000. That is good. BNB is up as well. We're seeing XRP. It's kind of down a little bit out there. Cardano is up. The Dogecoin is up 0.5% right now, but it's still holding its own at above 6 cents, and it's actually 6.5 cents, guys. So, you know, Dogecoin is still in the 8th spot, guys. It's still in the freaking 8th spot. I mean, if we go all the way down to Shiba Inu, if we can find it, Shiba Inu is in the 19th spot, guys. So what's up with that? What is freaking up with that, guys and gals? So, you know, in terms of the meme coin that's the most amount of holders are in profit, it's the Dogecoin, guys. It's the Dogecoin out there. What you doing? Guys, some interesting factoids. Looks like after 9 million scam, alleged hacker Googled, can I cross the border with crypto and buying citizenship? Okay, so it looks like somebody's looking for a new citizenship out there, a new home, guys. So be careful out there. That's why you got to be careful. There's still a lot of scammers out there. Looks like the case for 120,000 Bitcoin Y1 UK bank predicts a 300% rise. So, you know, this is from Kiyosaki. Where's my Kiyosaki out there? Where is he? Yeah. So Kiyosaki out there, he is saying that basically August 2022, 2023 in Johannesburg, South Africa, BRICS nation announced gold-backed crypto. US dollar will be out of there. Trillions of US rush home, inflation through the roof, buy gold, silver, Bitcoin 120K next year, guys. So that's what the Kiyosaki is saying. He's really painting some doom and gloom for the greenback out there. He's painting some doom and gloom out there. But what the most important takeaway here, 120K Bitcoin next year. So load up, not financial advice. And guys, Bitcoin fixes this. You're going to see that basically fiat currency, you know, cash is trash, and you can be using it for toilet paper. So you may have $100 bills to use it to wipe your butt out there, guys. So Pupu Shimada time, Pupu Shimada coin will be going to the moon because we're using $100 bills to wipe our butt. But maybe we should make a coin called the butt coin out there. So it looks like Bitcoin bull market trick update, guys. So we got this crossover almost a year ago. We shared this. We talked about it. And we talked about a Bitcoin strategy for complete peace of mind. I hope it served you well. Now the crossover has occurred. Congratulations. You can now chill, relax. The better is yet to come. So every time we have this crossover, bull market trick out there, guess what? The bull market's in, guys. It's in like Flint. Guys, the Bitcoin bull market has officially kicked off. Pow! And as I told you, the secret, institutional investors are freaking lining up and they're ready to dip into digital gold rush. That's called Bitcoin. This is just a trend It's a revolution. This is not a trend, guys. It's a revolution. Get ready for a seismic shift in the financial landscape, guys. So if you've been holding Bitcoin for a long time, like I have, get ready, guys. We're talking Lambos. We're Lambos and babes. Lambos and babes and champagne pools. Get ready. We're going to the moon. Dogecoin to the freaking moon. You to the moon. Smash the freaking likes. Loving. And guys, once again, I don't want to sound like a broken tape recorder. Just kidding. But the Bitcoin balance held on exchange addresses continues to go down. And that is good news because institutions are aping. I told you it's a secret. And that means that Bitcoin is going to become more scarce, guys. So Elon Musk loves the Doge. Let's hear why.
Even though it was created as a silly joke,
Yep.
Dogecoin is better suited for transactions.
Dogecoin.
The total transaction flow that you can do with Dogecoin is substantially more than like transactions per day is much higher than has much higher potential than Bitcoin. Even though it was created as a silly joke.
So Elon Musk still loves the Doge, and something big is going to be happening, and I think that Dogecoin is going to be the currency of the X app, which is going to be the Twitter ultimate app out there. The app that's going to be launched by Elon Musk soon. I mean, but Elon Musk is kind of keeping quiet right now because he's got the stupid lawsuit, right? Because he doesn't want to say something stupid and get himself in trouble. So the lawyers have kind of said, look, Elon Musk, bro, can you chill a little bit? Can you chilly willy? Don't put your foot in your mouth. Elon Musk does that sometimes, but he's a smart cat. I love Elon Musk. I'm an Elon Musk fanboy. Okay, beat me up. I love Elon Musk. I mean, in my office, I got a picture of Elon Musk in my office, and when I'm having a crappy day at the office and things are not going my way, or my boss is being a beep beep out there, I look at the Elon Musk and say, this guy can do it. So can I. It's a motivational thing. I love to be motivated. Let's get freaking motivated out there. So when I take a look at this, I'm still motivated. Doge is above 6 cents. Oh, yeah. It did break down from my trend line. I was a little bit disappointed about that. But still, it's just kind of going sideways. It's okay. Do not worry about it. Doge is up right now 0.45%. Pow. And we're seeing the total market cap is about 9 billion and some change. We're still in the 8th spot. I mean, look at SHIB. SHIB is like disappeared off planet Earth, and it's like 19. Even though we got all the SHIB, I'm not dissing on the SHIB. SHIB holders, I love you. I hold some SHIB. I mean, my wife holds some SHIB out there. So I'm not dissing. I mean, I'm not talking from my butthole. I'm telling you that it's not doing good. Okay, the SHIB is not doing good. That's all I got to say. I got to keep it real. I'm not going to tell you that it's pink unicorns and fairy dust. It ain't doing good. Okay, so take that and smoke it. Okay, I love you guys. Fear and Greed for Doge. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I love it. You love it. Let's go on with the DXY. DXY is going down. Boom, 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 baby. That's what we want. We got Ethereum is also doing this thing, going sideways, 1884. Boring out there, guys. Don't forget to be part of the conversation. We did it. Get crazy. Get crazy with the OG. Get crazy with the OG out there. What do we got in terms of, let's take a look at liquidations. We're having a look at liquidations. Let me give this a minute to refresh. Pow. The clock is spinning. We got $26 million worth of wreckage. That's good. Leverage traders are kind of like, I don't know, it's midweek and we got a low amount of leverage. And maybe they learned their lesson out there. I don't know. But that's good news. Let's see where we're going in terms of short charge. Yeah, we're still short. 52.8. But guys, keep an eye on it. Remember, today is Wednesday. Wednesday is the reversal day, so could expect that we could start to see some red flowing into crypto markets. Don't panic. It's a good time to pick up. Buy the dippity dips. Buy the double dips. I'll allow it, baby. I'll allow it. I'm going to allow it. Get out of there. Sometimes you get these pop-up things and it drives me nuts. So anyways, let's ignore it. Anyways, moving on. So we can see that in the last 24 hours, social dominance and social contributions for the Doge is up. Fantastic. I love it, guys. I love it. That's what we need to hear, right? Doge is starting to make a comeback. You love it. I love it out there. Out there. So let's see what we're ranking at. Where's the Doge? Doge, where are you? Doge number 13. Come on. Guys, get off your butt cheeks. Get off your butt cheeks and start to help in the community out there. Post and mention out there for the Doge. And guys, you can check out my what do you call this? My Twitter, guys. We got the 7,867 out there. followers. We got Elon Musk. I love it. Elon Musk, the richest cowboy in the world. Pow, 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 pow. Cowboy time, guys. So support the Doge, guys. Get off your freaking butt cheeks and support the Doge. I would appreciate it. Guys, don't forget we got merch out there. Go check out all the merch, guys. So I just want to say God bless you all. God bless you all. And Elon Musk, God bless you as well. So out there, have a freaking awesome day. Have a freaking great day out there. OG, peace out.